Today we are going to see construction of a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is nothing but any geometric figure with four sides. That is four sides. It will have four sides. So any given quadrilateral will have four sides, four angles and two diagonals. So totally it will have 10 measurements. To construct any quadrilateral, we need a minimum of 5 measurements. That is, we need any sides, angles and diagonals included, any 5 measurements. So we have, and always we name the quadrilateral in a circular fashion, A, B, C, D, and not A, B, C, D. We name the quadrilateral in a circular fashion. Similarly, you have M, O, R, E, more. So these are the two things you must keep in your mind before constructing a quadrilateral. Now let's see construction of a quadrilateral MORE, given one side, two angles, another side and an angle. So you have 5 measurements. So only when you have 5 measurements you can construct a quadrilateral. If you have only 4 or 3 measurements, you cannot construct a quadrilateral. So now these are the measurements given. So always the first step is to draw a rough diagram. So let's take MO. MO is 6 centimeters. Angle M is 60 degrees. So somewhere it will be like this. Angle O is 105 degrees. So it will be, what will happen to O? This is supposed to be angle O. How will the angle O will be? It is measured from this side to this side. So where will your 105 be? Somewhere here. Now, and OR is 4.5 centimeters. And angle R is again a 105 degrees. This angle is 60 degrees. So this MORE. This is your rough diagram. So the first step in constructing a quadrilateral is to draw the rough diagram. Rough diagram carries mark. In your paper, rough diagram carries the mark. And more importantly, rough diagram only will help us to construct the actual quadrilateral. So keep it as this is our C2 figure. Seeing this, we are going to construct the quadrilateral. So now first step, draw a line. Then mark a point M. Yesterday we saw construction of 60 degrees. Take any convenient radius. Draw a semicircle. Now place your compass on the point and draw an arc. This point will give us 60 degrees. So first we have drawn a line, marked point M, and at angle M is 60 degrees from our rough diagram. So I have constructed a semicircle using a convenient radius, and to cut the semicircle you get a point. This is construction of 60 degrees. This we have seen yesterday. Now M O. O is 6 centimeters. So take a compass, take your scale, measure 6 centimeters and mark point O. This is M, this is O. Angle O is 105 degrees. So what should you do? You should go for constructing 105 degrees at O. Where should you construct? You should construct at O. Okay. So extend this line further. Now take a convenient radius and draw a semicircle. We should expect our 105 degrees. This is the angle measurement for O. The point is here. The angle is measured inside, and so your 160 should be here, 120 should be here, and your 105 will be somewhere this side, your obtuse angle. So take a convenient radius, draw a semicircle, then draw an arc to show 60 degrees, then draw one more arc to show 120 degrees. Now we are going to bisect 60 and 120 degrees to get 90. This point will be joined here, the dotted line, because this is not the line which we want, but we want this point. So this is 90. Now if I bisect the angle between the 90 and 120 and join that line, it will give me 105. Now take a convenient radius, bisect the angle between 90 and 120. Here it is. Here's the point. This is 105 degrees. This is 105 degrees. Now we want OR. Where is R? R is here. What is OR? 4.5 centimeters. Now we should take 4.5 centimeters. We should measure 4.5 centimeters from O and cut it. Now you get the point R. Now at R we have to construct angle 105 again, but here we can directly mark it. So take it properly and mark 105 and join. So this angle is 105. We got another point. This point is angle E. So now we have M O R E. Angle M is 60 degrees and MO is 6 centimeters. Angle O is 105 degrees. OR is 4.5 centimeters. Angle R is 105 degrees and it cuts at E. So the required quadrilateral is MORE. So the very first step for a quadrilateral construction is we need minimum of 5 measurements. First step is to draw a proper rough figure. Approximately mentioning the angles and mentioning all the given measurements. Using the measurements, we construct the quadrilateral one by one. Thank you.